You're cold, wet, and the sun's going down fast. Could you build a survival shelter before night hits? In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to set one up in minutes, with minimal gear and max protection. First things first, location matters more than materials. Look for high ground, away from flood risk. Check for overhead hazards, no dead branches or loose rocks. You want natural cover if possible. Thick trees, rock faces, even a ditch can help. Got a tarp, poncho, even trash bags and paracord? You're halfway there. For speed, go with a lean-to or A-frame design. Tie paracord between 2 trees, drape tarp over the line, and anchor edges with rocks, logs, or stakes. No tarp? Use branches and foliage. Just stack and layer for insulation. You can lose 80% of your heat through ground contact. Lay down pine needles, leaves, dry grass, anything to insulate. Then, block the wind. Use your backpack, logs, even gear bags. Think low profile and heat trapping. This is survival, not comfort. That's your 3-minute shelter, done in minutes, could save your life. Want to learn more fast survival tactics like this? Subscribe, tap the bell, and check out our 5-bottle system to stay prepared. Water, fire, shelter, gear, and mindset. Prepared home to wild, now to future.